a pair of reed warblers has a nest of 5 precious eggs. And now, after 11 days, their first chick has hatched. The hard-working pair go into overdrive to feed their demanding firstborn. And while they leave the nest unattended, something strange starts to happen. The tiny, day-old chick is slinging out the other eggs. For him, there's only one way to establish yourself in this family. Get rid of the competition. But this is not a reed warbler. It's a cuckoo. 11 days ago, his mum snuck into the nest, removed one warbler's egg, and replaced it with her own. He's accomplished the first part of his mission, to place himself centre of attention, the sole chick of the family.